Good morning. Good morning and namaste everyone. I just got up. Gonna have some breakfast. Gonna see what I'm gonna do next. I think so. Since I've come home, it's all messed. I have to do a lot of cleaning. You can see at the back, around, everywhere. The things are around. No one ask me. So for the day, it's gonna be just cleaning stuff around. Then some puja by afternoon before 2, and then later on in the evening maybe some shoe shopping for Ira because the school
I'm a oh, I'm a oh, I'm a oh, and if you ask me, and if you stop it, and if you ask me, and if you ever stop it, I'm a
I'm tired. Did a lot of cleaning. Look at me. Coffee time. My coffee is already ready. That's it. I started giving this way. फिट्ट मारचे पडटा का सगळे ओडचे पडटा कित्याक तुका
सगळेच जाय तुका तू बस तुझ्या जाग्यार
मारा गायला मातशें स्पील जाला पण तेजो नाही नवतारा
या
कितें कितें दिलें तेंच्यांनी पळय एक एक काड
पापड
ओके पापड
पिकल
पिकल
one will be chapati
ओके
and puri
फायन
pickle
टू पिकल आनी कितें आसा तितून तुवें कितें ऑर्डर केल्लें
one veg thali
सो वॉट दे गिवन रायस ओपन करता प्लेटाची गरजच ना
no
लाड दिस इज वॉट
Yes.
पनीर स्वीट डिश दाल दही some gravy and rice yum yum नादरूच आयले खावपाक I love it. You'll fall, be careful.
I thought the पिशवी घालून हाडटले
आता खाऊया
oh, I'm a oh, I'm a oh, if you ask me, if you stop it, if you ask me, if you ever stop it.
Good evening. Had a nice power nap. Had a nice nap. It's 6:15 in the evening, and now we are going out in the market to see some Mira's shoes and get her school work done. So time to go out. घेतले सगळे अच्छा चल उठ 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 चल शॉपिंग शॉपिंग बघू
I'm a oh,
Let's, yeah, okay. Which one you saw? Ira, come.
This black.
Which one? This one? Here, go and just wear yours. Just wear. हाँ दोनों कलर check करा. Ira, walk and show. Walk and show me. Chal, walk. Tashini, Ira, just walk that side. Straight. Okay. Now show us. Vishal market and you should see what's going on. No, Ira. What have we come for shopping, right? No? Come first. Chalo. Shopping is done, Ira. That's it. Come on, let's go. Go. You seem fine. Chal, we are going now. We're done. Slight change that we have come to Chroma. Need a washing machine, little bit of AC. So figuring out what to buy. Ira is enjoying. A lot of things going around.